Wait for it. I took my dog to get a haircut.
Sorry. Roxy! Baby! Hey!
My girl.
Bitch with this haircut, bitch. About to take a nigga bitch with this haircut. Come here. About to cop a new fit in this haircut. Don't ask me to do shit, I got my haircut. Feeling like a new man with this haircut. I'm trying to fuck you and your friend with this haircut. Barbara say he want a band for this haircut. Well, nigga, I ain't paying for this haircut. I just got my haircut where my brush at. Where it's at? Where my chain, where my watch, where my buff's at. Bitch talking about I'm ugly. I'm like,
it's really not that bad. It just needs a little shaping. To the salon!
I love it.
Alo. Là phiền của chị giúp tôi. Dạ. Alo. Dạ. Alo.
I felt like a Spanish, like a Puerto Rican in this hair. I felt Puerto Rican.
Hendrik, you want to show me your nice beard? Honey.
The groomer surprised us by dyeing our dogs, even though no one asked. Oscar is supposed to be a panda, I guess. Cleo kinda cute with the pink ears though. Mom is pissed.
The things we have to do to shave our dog's ear. But it works. Come on, you're supposed to have him focused.
He's running out.
Okay, you gotta recharge.
I need a refill.
Fun fact, you see that man over there? He's allergic to peanut butter.
The things I have to do for him.
And I love peanut butter.
Yeah.
Can't lick daddy.
Don't lick me, bro, please. There you go. Focus on the peanut butter. No, focus on the peanut butter.
You got it all in your mouth, bro.
Now we gotta clean his mouth.
Yeah.
Salagadoola, menchigaboola, bibbidi-bop. Boo.
When your mom is on a budget, so you're stuck with at home, botched haircuts. Pretty sure she just spent hundreds of dollars on her hair.
My mom took it into her own hands to give my dog a haircut.